Kings. What we're gonna do today is, this could be a quick video. I'm just going to show some ginger snaps. Some are ginger snap button poppers and some are non-name snap buttons. All of these in here, these ones are ginger snaps. These ones here, that's in this. And it'd be awkward to show. And welcome to Kawanda Collectibles. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you for coming by. And for my old heads, queens and kings, I appreciate you as well. As usual, I do. But if you are interested in anything, you can reach me at Kawanda Collectibles, the number 1 at gmail.com, and leave. The way I'm doing it now is by numbers, or it may be by alphabets. You can do both. You can put it in the comment area, or you can email me. But also too, this time when you send in emails with different purchases or put it in the description box, when you are, I guess when you are finished with putting orders in, since it's near the time for me to give you your invoice, if you can, maybe send me an email and just have a list of the things that you have purchased, because sometimes you can miss something in the description area, and you know how emails can get mixed all up, and by being so many emails, you can get kind of confused with all the emails. So, when you know that you're at your end point with picking out items you want, just shoot me an email with your total list of items, because sometimes, like I said, when they're on separate emails and different emails, it can get a little, confusing. So if you can, that can help me out some, but if not, I just do what I can with just checking my emails, checking the description boxes and things of that nature. So I'm not gonna be on that too long, but if I don't already have your shipping and email address, if you can, before purchasing, send that to me if you think you are going to purchase anything, so that way on Sunday when I go to send invoices out, I'll already have your information to send you your invoice. And if possible, too, payments immediately after you receive invoice. If not, I understand, but long as it's not Monday that I receive an invoice, and long as it's not after 8 that I receive an invoice on Sunday. So I think that is it. And my shipping is $6, and I do PayPal. And I think that is it for now. Let's get started. All of these are ginger snaps here. And these are some expensive little buttons here. Very expensive. I was looking them up, and I love this one right here. It's a love heart. It said love story snap when I looked it up. Isn't that a pretty one? I was like, that's pretty. It's a love heart. And this one is a ginger snap. I just thought I'd show you that one. I thought that one was pretty. These things I don't know if this one was $8 or $10. One. Honey, these things expensive. So I didn't know really how to sell these. So, and I need to get rid of them. So what I'm gonna do, the ginger snap ones could be $5 a piece. The actual ones that are ginger snaps, and these are brand new. Some was in here in the paper, but I took some out to show when I was showing someone, a family member. But the ginger snap one's going to be $5. The ones that's basic, regular, that does not have ginger snap on the back, they're $4. And I have some that's like a medallion style. Those are going to be $8. And they are heavy, so yeah. So what I'm going to try to do is put these on here. I'm doing this as I go along because I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'm doing it as I go along. Gonna try to be quick with some of this because getting ready to head to Maryland. Okay, I want to get back before, what is wrong with my chair? And I want to get back before the weather gets bad. Okay, I think I got an idea of what we're going to do here. I think I have an idea. We're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. And again, those who are new too, I love jewelry. I love collecting jewelry. I love collecting everything, you guys. Anything that's cute and pretty, dainty, I'm in there. I want it. So I just love collecting stuff. And I'm not a professional jeweler, okay? And I never worked in a jewelry store. I worked in a Claire's boutique before, but I don't think that counts. I really don't think that counts. Okay, this is how we're gonna do this. May end up having to do like another video. That bird was going on for a pretty long time. You guys, I love birds. Those who are new, I love the sound of birds, but I do not love to be close to a bird. But I love a bird. Well, so far these are, I put up 5. Hopefully you can see these good. Hoping you can. And they all are ginger snaps. I got them on the back. And on one of the videos I did do and show bracelets that had ginger snaps on them already. Just came up with this idea, so the first one is a heart, number 1. The second one, what is that? A swan? I'm not sure. It's pink with rhinestones. The third one, I think that's a Rudolph, a reindeer. The fourth one is a beautiful red high heel glitter shoe. And then the fifth one is a pearl with rhinestones. Okay. So, I'm going to leave those there because I've put the other row. I'm going to have to take pictures so that I would know which was which. And all of my ginger snap. This one is a beauty right there. And of course, this one is a beauty because it's a K. And they all are new. Well, last night I was trying to catch up on a lot of people's videos. I try, but it's so hard. But to let you all know, when I don't watch your video, what I always do I do go out there and try to give a thumbs up. Even if I don't watch it, I just go, that way I go back to look at it, and when I see that I did do a thumbs up on it, I was like, oh, okay, that's one I might need to look at, because I probably didn't get to look at it all the way through. And this one is number 10. And again, all these are ginger snaps. Yeah, but I love trying to watch everyone else's videos, because it's good for us to do. You know, it's YouTube family. Number 6 is like green. And number 7 is a letter K with beautiful rhinestone. And look at number 8. Oh. And what I love too is the design on the ends of number 8. And look at number 9. Number 9 is pretty as well. Then we have number 10. So what I'm gonna do real quickly is go take a picture of these 10. So this way I know what's what. So I'm glad I came up with this idea. See, when you get sleep, see what happened? You can think better. You really can. Yeah, so I can take them off, right? So I won't get confused here now. So yeah, I can take these all off there. Y'all already know the numbers. And I'm doing all the ginger snap ones. That was the first 10. I'm gonna keep my little numbers here. Okay. And what was that? Gotta start with 11, right? 11 through 20. Yeah, but I was saying that I do try to go back and look at y'all videos. And also, too, I probably won't get to check a lot of videos out until on the weekends, because I'm trying to look at them when I get off work and get in bed. It's hard for me to see the thing. It really is. To see the jury that people be showing. Okay. I really didn't feel like having to kind of take them out the bag. That's a beauty. But they don't have to come out the bag. Which y'all can see, these are new. So I'm going to have to take them out the bags. It's a little difficult. Whatever anyone purchased. If you want the bags for the ginger snap ones that has bags to it, you're welcome to them. Just let me know. Yeah, but I do definitely try to go through and watch everyone's videos. Give it a thumbs up when I can. And a lot of times when I do get on, I may not also be able to do a comment all the time, because it's hard for me to see at night on there. And a lot of times too, that's why on people lives, I may not say anything like hi or whatever, because of the fact that I just know that I can't do any typing because it's hard for me to see at night. And then sometimes, you guys, I just want to mellow out and just watch, you know? I just want to be mellow and just watch. Then you're at work all day, 8 hours, looking at a computer, kind of exhausted to be, you know, trying to do typing. So it's 15 and 16. That was it. These are so beautiful, and these are expensive. I was like, dang, those little things, $6 and $7 and $10. That's crazy. But they're beautiful though. Okay, so these ones are 10 to 16, and all of these are the ginger snaps. Look at that glow. Look at the beautiful rhinestones sparkling, honey. Just a sparkling. Love it. Trying to hold it a while so you guys can really see. And I love this gold one. I never see a gold one before. Let me see. Put it closer. And again, I don't know if some know, I'm allergic to the isotone and the acrylic and stuff with nail polish. So those who knew, and you see that my nails are peeling or anything, I'm fine. It's just I had a reaction to the nail products that they use in the nail stores. And again, these ones are $5 a piece. Let me take a picture. It lasts longer. That's what they say. You guys, last night, I think I said in the other video, but I was watching the Parkers. They are funny, okay? They are funny. I love me some Kim on the Parkers. That thing crazy. For real. And Miss Parker though too. Professor Ogilvy. Let me stop. Okay, so all these were the ginger snaps. And they're $5. I'm gonna just throw the little bags in here because it's not a whole lot of them. But I'm gonna just throw the bags in there. And if you, depend on whoever, if you order all of them, if you want this heart case, you can have the heart case with them if you purchase all of them. Okay. What number did I stop at? What number did I stop at? Y'all know. Y'all don't know. I think it was, we stopped at 16, yeah. I think we stopped at 16. That's what it was. We stopped at 16. So many of these things. Excuse me. Covered my mouth with my arm. I, went to the side. So this, let me put 17 down so I won't forget. I think this was 17 we were starting with. Because, honey, I can get it wrong. It won't take long. 19. Watch coming loose here. And guys, I hope we don't get no snow. I mean, if we did, long as it's not a lot. I mean, if we're gonna get some snow, make it be where we be out of work though. No, then I don't mind it. And these ones, they do not have ginger snap on the back, but these are expensive as well. They don't have ginger snap on the back of these ones. I'm getting ready to show you. But these ones are going to be $5 though, based on the fact that they are all rhinestones on this set. And they are pretty. They are pretty. And expensive. It's wild that I just came up with this idea, and I had some of this material right here, and I just cut it up just not too long ago before I got on. I tell you, when you get rest, you can definitely think better. You definitely can think better. I don't know what this one. Oh, I think that's a wing. Maybe an angel wing. I don't know. I'll show the other two last because these two can be just $4. Those two. These ones are $5. Look how beautiful they are. And the number is under it. This 117 and so on. I really love this one. And I love this one. This is a beauty. All of them are pretty, and I like this one too. Look at the sparkle on them. And again, these are some expensive snaps. Let me take a picture. I don't know if I said it though, but again, I'm not a professional jeweler, and I'm not gonna sit here and lie that I know everything about jewelry, because no, I do not know everything about jewelry. I just know for the real truth, 100%, that I love jewelry. And these ones are $4. 26, 27. This is a letter S. And this, I'm gonna say that's for faux turquoise, I think. 26 is the S, and then 27 the turquoise. And I'm gonna put that in here too. Oh, I didn't take the picture. And I'm gonna learn to try to work on learning the difference with vintage, how to tell what's vintage, what's not vintage. Did I take the picture? Yeah, I did. Y'all gotta excuse me. Don't judge. And we have these. These are not ginger snaps as well. But this one has a lot in it. And we have to, as you can see, I'll show you how many we have here. We have a bunch. So I'm going to try to do, might try to show, let's see something. I may try to show 20 of them, and then after that, I will do a part 2 with showing them later today when I get back from out of town. But these are a lot, so, and then we have more right here. So what I'm gonna do, bear with me while I write out some more of these. 27. 28. Let's do 10 at a time. That's 23. 33. 35. Okay. So I did 9. And these ones are, again, not ginger snaps. They are the pop snaps, but they're not the name brand ones, ginger snap. And these ones right here are $4. If you guys don't mind, hold please. I have to, on my holding, have to get something straight. Okay. So, did I take that picture? Yeah, I did. So that's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna keep it as is. These the ones that we have showed, and then the rest of them are on the side that we're gonna show. I'm making, you know what I'm gonna do then, so this will be the last other ones I just show. I'm gonna show the ones that's like the medallions. It's not that many of those, so I will show those real quick. I'm gonna hit the road for this rain come. They're talking about rain and maybe mixed sleet or snow one. I'm gonna hit that road so we can get back at a reasonable time. I'm gonna miss my mom. Miss my mom. Miss my mommy. 36. 37. And these are big, so we'll see how many we can get on here. The back, and it has a something up here, but I don't know what that is. Yeah, I have to just do 3 of these ones. They had on. I looked this up. They call them the medallion ones. These are beautiful too. Big, but they're nice. Yeah, I hope I have I think my number's showing right. And they have a little weight to it. Which can't you tell the sound of them? They definitely have weight, that metal. Take my picture. And the medallion ones, you guys, these are $8. They have a lot of weight to them too. And just how the back of these look. And these ones have, maybe you can see it right there, something different with the symbol on the back. I don't know what that symbol is. So yeah, just put down in the comment area what ones you are interested in. Or hey, you want them all. Okay. So that's the end of that video for me. And I will show part 2 later today. And part 2 is going to be all of these ones that I'm going to show. And all of these ones, little ones, are $4. Alrighty, so I appreciate everyone. Enjoy your Saturday. Whatever you do, be safe. Whoever get that snow, the bad storm they're talking about, please be careful. If you don't have to go anywhere, stay in. Drink some hot cocoa. Watch some movies. Or hey, like me, honey, get some Coca-Cola or Pepsi, ice cold Pepsi or something, and chill. But be safe. Until then, bye-bye.